Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, in this video today, we'll be talking about a particular website that will pay you free PayPal money. So I got a lot of requests that I should make video on website that pay free PayPal money. So I did my research and I got this particular website that says make money online on the phone, computer or tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. This website will actually pay you from anywhere you are in the world. So if you're just seeing our video for the first time, welcome, thank you, and this is Seth. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video. We appreciate you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. We really appreciate you. So on this particular website, they have their app on App Store, which is on iPhone if you are an iPhone user, and they have on Google Play Store, which is on Android if you are an Android user. Their apps is on both stores. Also, they have a 4.5 rating on Trustpilot. They have a 4.5 rating on Trustpilot, and they have over 13,875 reviews on Trustpilot. So there are a lot of there are a lot of things you'll be benefiting from this website, and there are a lot of things you'll be doing on this website. It says turn your time into profit. Benefit: the flexible solution. Paid work is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. Emphasis: it is an additional job or full-time job for all people from every country. So it doesn't matter the country you are from, paid work will pay you. Either you are from Canada, you are from Kenya, you are from Nigeria, you are from India, you are from South Korea, paid work will pay you. So they accept everybody from all countries. Also, you can earn money on any device with access to the internet. As long as your phone can access the internet, you can earn money with it. Wherever you are, you get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. Now, they pay you for the time you spend on their platform and for the things you do while you spend your time on their platform. You understand? They pay you for, okay, this is what we appreciate you for. Thank you for coming on the platform, and they accept everybody from anywhere you are in the world. Now this is how it works. Everything under control. It says you can choose how you want to earn money. Now these are the things that you do to earn money on their platform. You can earn money by playing games. You get paid some coins by playing games. Those coins are what you convert to paper money, and some of their earners are earning at least maybe $100 or $200 in a month on their website. You can completing surveys. You can be watching videos. Now this watching of videos is one of the best. Like, it is one of the things that will pay you money fast, because you don't even really need to watch the video. You just open it, close it, open it, close it. Anyone you do. You can also shop online. They have this cashback, whatever, that when you shop online, you get a particular reward for using their particular website to shop online. And you also be creating accounts on other websites. The amount of money you earn on this website depends on the amount of time and energy you put into it. Like, it depends on the amount of time you spend on their website. You will be getting from one level to another. The more time you spend, the higher you go on their website. Like, you understand. Aside the fact that you can set your time frame on this website, you're also allowed to do a lot of things on this website, like, creating accounts on other websites, trying out applications, installing other people's applications on your phone to try out. They bring you more website that looks like their own website. You get money anytime, and moreover sef, you can get as high as 200 or $300 monthly. Now let's do a math of maybe you earn like $10 a day on this website, or like dollars a day on this website, depending on how you can work. $8 or $10 might not look much in a day, but if you multiply it by 25 days, you'll be getting about maybe somewhere around $250, and the exchange rate currently is around 76,000 to $100. So you're making about 250,000 naira every month. If you're in Nigeria, that is not too bad to make online every month. Payment method is through PayPal. I know Nigeria does not allow you to open a PayPal account, but we have our own way around it. So if you are looking to open a PayPal account that will pay you money in Nigeria, please chat me up through the link in the description box on our Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel of over 1,200 members. So do not go and join another channel and get scammed. Please do not. So the PayPal account will be opening for you will allow you to receive your money at a Nigerian local bank rate. Now, the first thing you'll be doing here to sign up on this website is called Paid Work. You get paid to work. You hit this three button and you click on registration. Once you click on register, you have to input your email address. You see a place that says email address and password. You have to input your email address and your password to sign up. You can sign up with other means like using Microsoft, using Google, using whichever means they have on the platform. After that, you have a space to put in your first name and your last name, and then you click on whether you are a male or a female. So here we'll be clicking on female and we'll be inputting our details, and then we hit the registration button. Now once you hit the registration button, this is how the platform looks like. This is how their website looks like. As you can see, it is a new account. There is nothing on the website. There is no money there yet. It's a new account. You can fill in your email address, you verify your email address, and you add your basic information for them to issue more surveys and more whatever to your account. Now the next thing here you'll be doing now is to go up here and you click on this N. There's a button that says N here. On this N button, you'll be earning to play game, you'll be earning to fill out surveys, you'll be earning to do other things. On this play game, you can earn as high as $1 per game. So imagine you play like about 9 more games, you'll be earning about $10 in a day. You also get the cash back, and you also get to watch videos and get paid. You get to do micro tax as well. Micro tax like signing up on different websites, downloading different applications as well. And then you can watch other videos, like other video ads the way you want it, any amount of video ads you want. You can also shop through their website. You can use their own website to shop online. So once you do that, you get paid. So guys, please let me know in the description box where you're watching me from so I can create more videos for you guys. And also let me know what you think about this particular website and how, if you've tried it out. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please like this video, hit the subscribe button and share this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.